Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox iPad 9th gen. You can see this is 9th gen Wi-Fi only. They can be 64 or 256 Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi plus cellular, and silver or space gray. So this one is space gray, says over here. So this is 2021 model. This one is 10.2 inches. Apple logo here, Apple logo here. Let's look at the seal. Nice seal on here, goes in here. On this side, and this side no seal. So one side no seal. Everywhere else is nice line. Okay.
So I got the seal in the back. Now we're gonna open it. Slowly slides. Okay. It's pretty tight. Okay. That's right. I have something here.
Big manual. Huge. Two big stickers. iPad. And now finally it comes with the, how many watt is here? 20 watt. You can see here, 20 watt power adapter. USB-C. So it no longer comes with 12 watt. Now it's USB-C and USB-C to Lightning. The Pro models comes with both sides USB-C. Nothing else inside. This thing doesn't come out in like fake boxes. This comes out easily. And we go back to the iPad itself. This is the sealing plastic. So you can open it like this. So that was the quick unboxing for iPad 9th gen. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.